DIY animal waste bin. Things you're going to need for this project. A plastic bucket or bin with a matching lid, a drill with a hole making attachment, spray paint for aesthetics, a handsaw, a knob or a handle for the lid to your animal septic tank powder of your choice, and gravel or rocks you have laying around your house. Please don't waste money on these guys. First, you need to prep your bucket by drilling holes 1 inch apart all the way around the bucket, then drill holes 1 inch apart going all the way down the bucket like I did here. Please make your holes bigger than mine though, because mine are way too small. I think the size of a Sharpie, like the width, would be fine. Next, cut the bottom of the bucket out and spray paint the top 2 inches of the bucket so that when it's installed it looks discreet in your yard. You don't want an orange bucket sticking out like a sore thumb in your yard against brown or green leaves, you know? That's not cute. Next, drill a hole in the middle of your lid for your knob or your handle, but don't put the handle on yet. Then, spray paint the lid to match the bucket, but do a nice job as this is the part that shows. When the paint dries, you can add the knob. Now that your bucket is prepped and ready to go, you can work on the placement of the animal septic tank in your yard. When finding a place for your septic tank, make sure that it's away from any buildings like the house, the garage, or the shed. Then you're going to dig a hole for your bucket to fit in, as I've done here. Well, I had some strong men help me instead of me wasting my time. It would never happen. Once you dig out the hole for your bucket, place the bucket into the hole and make sure it's just level or about 1 inch above the ground. You're going to want it about 1 inch above the ground because you have to put that lid on and off and you want to see the top of the bucket. Now you need to add 2 inches of small rocks or gravel, then 4 inches of fist-sized rocks, and top it off with the septic tank powder. Then I added my dog's waste and some random leaves and about 3 cups of water. This is the powder I used. Use what you feel comfortable using. I don't really care. Some people are super organic and don't want that in the yard. Use the septic tank powder you're comfortable with. You can now put a lid on it and add waste whenever. Portia is checking out and approving the new clean yard because of the animal septic tank. I know you'll approve too, and you'll just be so much happier letting your kids run around not worrying about dog waste in the yard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please follow me on my social media.